Okay, here's a short tutorial showing you how to open a math notebook and put all the worksheets of that particular math topic or science topic or whatever subject topic into that one notebook, okay? So this is my Goodnotes. So you can see I have many different folders already. So I'm going to tap on my math folder, okay? And you will see that I have the different topics that we had, okay? So this is our new topic, linear equations, okay? So I already have a notebook there, but I'm going to show you how to do it just in case you don't know. So usually you just tap there and start, okay, notebook. You can tap on this and you can choose whatever design you want. Let's just keep it solid gray and always use squared paper, okay? Grid paper, especially for this topic, okay? Now, if you look over here, you can change it portrait to landscape, okay? So right now, this is landscape, like hot dog lying down. Portrait is standing up. So I want to get a portrait. Actually, it doesn't matter. When you import it, it will follow the orientation of the page that it was formatted, okay? So just put it there and put your name on it so I know who you are. So I'm just going to put NAS linear equations, okay? So that when you submit to me, I know where it comes from, and then just create. Okay, now here's the thing. When you get the materials from Google Classroom, my suggestion, so that it's very easy to look for where it lands in Goodnotes, okay? Before you even go downloading the file, go to your notebook, okay? Go and open your notebook. Go and open it already. And then go to Google Classroom, okay? So open the notebook where you want your document to be in before going to Google Classroom. So this, I don't have any materials for linear equations yet, so I'm just going to download files from our old topic, which is fractions, decimals, percentages, okay? So I'm going to open extension and extension. Okay, now you will see that there is a small arrow at the upper right hand side. So click on that arrow and it will bring you to another page, okay, which has the same things. Now go again to the upper right hand and you will see three dots right under the battery, okay? Click on the three dots and it will give you a drop down menu. Choose open in, okay? So from the top, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh choice, open in, and choose Goodnotes. Open in Goodnotes. Open. Now you will see you are in your file, NAS linear equations. And then all you need to tick on would be import to current document. Boom. There it is. It is in the correct notebook. Okay. See, the correct notebook, NAS linear equations, and you have your materials here. Okay? So I hope this helps. Putting all your materials in one area is helping you become more organized, so you don't need to keep on looking for where you downloaded your materials. Okay? The next tutorial will show you how to export 1 or 2 pages, not the whole notebook. Okay? Bye-bye.